Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use blue color. The next one is black color. And now we use green color. Kids, the next one is red color. And the last one is yellow color. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use blue color and now we draw capital letter alphabets. A. The alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. And now we draw C. C for cow. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now we draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. We again use blue color. Now we draw the letter of F. F for fish, F for fan. And the next one is G. G for goat. The next one is H. H for hand. Kids, now we draw I. I for ice cream. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. Now we use black. Now we use the color of black and draw the letter of J. J for jackfruit. J for joker. Kids, the next one is K. K for kite. And now we draw L. L for lemon. The next one is M. M for moon. Kids, now we draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Now we use green color and draw the letter of O. O for octopus. And now we draw P. P for penguin, P for parrot. And Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. We again use the color of green. Now we draw the letter of S. S for snake. The next one is T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, now we use red color and draw the letter of U. The next one is V. And now we draw the letter of W. W for wolf. We again use red color. Now we draw X. And the next one is Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Now we use black color. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. And the next one is 2. T-W-O. Kids, now we draw 3. The next one is 4. And now we draw 5. The next one is 6. Now we draw 7. And the next one is 8. The number of 8. Now we draw 9. And the last one is 10. T-E-N, 10. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching.